Hi, my name is Walter Hand, and I'm the marshal of my sister Ashley Hand, and I'm just so proud of her, and I'm glad to be here.
My name is Stephanie Moorhand, and I'm the mother of Ashley Aaliyah. And we're just delighted to be a part of this 55th annual Debutante Cotillion.
And I'm the dad, Chip Hand. Ashley, we're so proud of you. Thank you for all that you do for the whole family, and we'll miss you a lot.
Hey, I'm the father of Mackenzie Powell, a senior this year at North Mecklenburg. Mackenzie, we are so proud of you and proud of all your accomplishments, and we look for much more from you in the future.
I'm the mother of Mackenzie Powell. Mackenzie, we are so proud of you. We know that Power Girls rock, and we look forward to what you will do in the future. Love you.
I'm the father of Anaya Cameron Bowden. Yes, we are very, very proud of you. You've growing up to be a very beautiful young lady. You know we love you dearly, and the future is ahead of you. Anything you want to do, you know it's possible. But always remember, you'll always be Daddy's little girl. I love you, baby.
Cammie, since the first day I met you, I knew that you were a special young lady. You're so sweet, you're so kind, and those qualities are going to take you very far in life. And I look forward to seeing you grow into being a young woman, going to college and graduate, and all the things that God has in store for you. Just remember to keep God first in everything that you do, and you will be successful. I love you so much.
April 20th, 2019, the conclusion of our 55th Debutante Cotillion. Debutantes, congratulations. You did a wonderful job and you looked beautiful. I hope that this experience is a memorable one for you as it is for me. Congratulations.